Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Shoutout nga pala sa lahat dyan guys. Ayan, mega shoutout. Ayan, dumating ng aking parcel. Ang aking order na mic condenser. Ayan, microphone siya. Guys, ayan. Pinantay ko siya ng 4 days na dumating siya. Ayan. Okay. Ito na guys. Ready na tayo guys. Buksan na natin yung aking parcel. Ginamitan ko siya ng gunting kasi mahirap siya buksan ng kamay. Naka-ano siya, naka-tape kasi siya. Alright. And thank you nga pala sa rider na naghatid nito. Ito yung aking parcel. Alright. Kulay ano siya, kulay black. Talaga nakasilyado talaga yung kanyang lalagyanan. Alright. Ayan na ang aking professional condenser microphone. Okay. Buksan na natin guys. Umpisahan na natin buksan. At huwag na nating patagalin. Okay. Ayan. Ito ang aking kable ng microphone. At ito ang aking microphone. Ayan, condenser microphone. Okay. Maganda siya guys. Medyo mabigat siya. Siguro I think ano siya, quality. At sakto lang naman sa kanyang socket. Ayan, ng kanyang kable. Okay, at ang next natin ay ang holder ng microphone. Ayan, buksan natin guys. Naka-plastic pa siya para hindi maalikabukan. Ang ganda ng kulay. Alright, ayan, meron siyang thread. Diyan ko ikakabit yung holder. Meron akong lumang holder, diyan ko na lang siya ilagay. Okay. At hindi ko na siya binilihan ng stand ng mic kasi meron naman dati pa. Okay, headset. Ayan yung headset ko na ginagamit. Alright. Start na tayo guys. Ayan, ito ang aking sounds card. Ayan, umpisa na nating isaksak lahat ng mga dapat isaksak. Ito yung kable para sa line 1 sa iyong monitor at ang headset. Ayan, dapat sa tamang saksakan at umpisa na natin guys. I-try na natin. Ayan, try na natin guys. Okay, kable sa mic. Check mic, hello. Mic, hello. Check mic.
A few moments later.
Alright. Ayan, try natin yung yung maganda nga sa music. Right, shout out everyone.
One eternity later.
Tingin ko naman parang maganda naman yung mic niya. Parang okay naman siya sa alright. Okay, try natin guys. Ayan. I-try natin yung yung mic kung okay ba. Ayan, kung okay ba siya. Ayan. Alright, sa music. Ayan, try natin guys ha. Ayan, shoutout po sa lahat. Okay. I know you everything that I'm looking for, and I look into your eyes and could not ask for more. So it's only fair to lay on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart man, I know it's gonna be with you. But no one to pull me through, no one when. If I ever fall in love again. Scared, I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down. And yeah, if you just trust in me, I'll you right come around. And I know when you're hurt, it's hard to let someone inside. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm ready now to try. Oh, so if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart man, I know it's gonna be with you. I'm the one to fool me true. No, I won't go away. If I ever fall in love again, I will go to ever let you go. You're the best thing in my life, and I find out it's love. Para oh, I don't stop with you. You're the one so full of truth. Oh, I know when. If I ever fall in love again. If I ever fall in love again. Right? Thank you so much. Ayan, salamat sa pakinig at sa nanood itong aking unboxing. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Okay. Ayan, at dito na rin po nagtatapos ang aking vlog. Ayan. Salamat ng marami. God bless us all. Okay, thank you so much ng marami. Okay? Bye-bye!